Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. We are going to do a bright and a beautiful dot mandala in this 8-inch MDF board. Let's begin. Let me start dotting in the center with coral red. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll do tiny dotting. I'll keep some golden yellow dots. I'll do tiny dotting in golden yellow. I'll keep some dots in chrome yellow. I'll do tiny dotting in chrome yellow. Now I'll keep lemon yellow dots. Now I'll do tiny dotting in lemon yellow. I'll keep some coral red dots. I'll keep some dots in orange. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll keep brush strokes in golden yellow. I'll keep brush strokes in chrome yellow. Now I'll draw outline of eye shape. I'll keep some dots in coral red. I'll work the dots in coral red. I'll keep some brush strokes in orange. I'll keep some brush strokes in golden yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in chrome yellow. I'll keep some dots in lemon yellow. I'll keep some lemon yellow dots. I'll work the dots in lemon yellow. I'll keep Fevicol and fix mirrors. I think as I expected, this dot mandala came out really vibrant. What do you think? Let me know in the comments and thank you for watching this video.